Reprezentante Espesial Sekretariu Jeral ONU Asuntu Violensia Kontra Labarik, Najat Malam Hasoru Malu Prezidente Republika Ramos Horta, Hodi Deskute, Oinsa Bele Hapara Violensia Hasoru Labarik iha Timor Leste.
Banhira remata Hasoru Malu, Reprezentante Espesial Sekretariu Jeral ONU Asuntu Violensia Kontra Labarik, Najat Maala, jornalista e Palácio Presidencial Nicolau Lobato Republika quinta nehateten. Hasoru Malu Presidente da República ne lorong iku so di kolia konaba Oinsa Bele Hapara Violensia Kontra Labarik iha Timor Leste.
Bom dia. I am here, I am ending my visit, and today I had a meeting with the President of Timor-Leste just to brief him about all what was going during this visit, and also to stress, the strong commitment and the strong political commitment at high level of Timor-Leste regarding, ending violence against children in all settings through the pledge made in Bogota, but also through becoming, member of the Global Pathfinding Alliance on Ending Violence Against Children. And during this discussion, he reiterates very strongly his commitment in investing in child protection and well-being and in their caregivers to make sure that we are building a protective, inclusive, safe environment for all children. This is the main important, message. So I am really happy regarding what is going on. And yesterday, during the launch, we have also a plan of action, a roadmap that define concrete services that will be delivered, where people are living, regarding, in all municipalities. So I think you are in a good way to make it and really to start working better in a coordinated way and investing in child protection and well-being and investing in people is key for the development of country.
Objetivo se visita ne hanesan visita balorong ikus nien Hodi informa ba Presidente kona ba aktividade hotu ne beni halu iha Timor Leste. Ni hatutan durante iha Timor Leste Hasoru Malu entidade barak Hodi kolia asunto liga violencia ne bela barak sira Hasoru. Ni hatutan Timor Leste hanesa mos estado nebe parte ratifica ona Convenção Direito Labarik. Ida nestai hanesan princípio ida nebe estado Timor Leste tuir. Emerenciana Pinto, Sosial News.